Hello guys, Dividend Enjoyer here, and today I want to do a stock analysis video on Take-Two Interactive Software, ticker symbol TTWO. I think that this stock is, going to be very strong as long as Grand Theft Auto is very strong. I think that that's the most important thing that they need to get right. And I think that they also have done a very good job about kind of squeezing their cash cow of GTA 5 for kind of as much juice as they could in as many formats as they could. I think that GTA 6 is going to be an amazing release. Analysts are generally bullish on the stock as well. The stock has performed, kind of poorly in the recent terms. So in the last month, it's been down 6.09%. That was, of course, after they said that they would delay the release of GTA 6. In the past year, though, they've been up 49%. I think that there's a lot of hype baked into the GTA 6 release. I think that it's going to be a lot better than people realize. I think that this is something that I'm going to want to own a piece of. Analyst price targets currently range anywhere from 145 to 275. So with 224.75 being the current price, we're still well below that 251.51 average that they have as an average analyst price target. I know that the earnings were not good last quarter compared to what analysts were looking for, but I don't really care that much. I really just hope that they're developing GTA 6 as good as possible. I think that's kind of the one thing you're betting on with this stock, that GTA 6 is going to be as big of a hit as GTA 5 was. I think that it definitely will be. I think that the hype is definitely there. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Take-Two, though, has definitely been a very good stock to own in the last year. Over the last 5 years, though, it's only been up 44%, so actually better performance in the last year. I really think that this is going to do very well with GTA 6. I really think that it's being kind of underestimated, especially with the fact that in the last month it's been down 6.09%, so it is off of that high of 245. I think that we will get new highs within the next year or two, just because, again, that GTA 6 release is going to be huge. If you guys haven't noticed, I really think that's the most important thing with this kind of stock. I think that really, if you're going to be buying Take-Two, you have to look at kind of the history of Rockstar releases. I don't think Rockstar has had a poor release in a very long period of time. I don't think that they're, going to have a poor release, and I especially don't think that they're going to let it be on GTA 6. I'm glad that they delayed the release. I think that that was the right, smart move. They always release their products when they're fully finished, and I think that they're probably the best game developer that's currently out there, especially with Rockstar games. Really can't really think of a bad title off the top of my head. Really, every title is very high quality, and investors have to recognize that it takes a lot of time to get very high quality products and services out into the market. And that's kind of what Take-Two is doing. They're really able to deliver very high quality, great products that gamers love to play and stay hooked on for years. The fact that GTA 6 is relevant and it's releasing 13 years after its predecessor, GTA 5, just kind of goes to the show the cultural impact that the game has, the hype that's around it, the fan base that's around it. It's really, it's going to be almost like a national holiday when this thing drops. Everyone's going to be playing this game. I think it's going to be amazing. I think that it's going to sell very well. And I think that it would be a smart move to, wager your bets on Take-Two for the long term. I think that they're going to really outperform a lot of other stocks, especially in the gaming sphere. And as you see things kind of start to become consolidated, I think that they're going to be able to make some money off of the Xbox Game Pass, off of whatever Steam decides to release as some kind of Game Pass. I think that's kind of the direction we're moving. And I think that Take-Two has really some of the best titles in gaming, and I think that they're going to continue to create amazing products. And that's really what you have to wager on with a company like this. If you want to be a long-term investor, you have to be in it for the long term and bet that the company is going to make amazing products. I think that you're definitely paying a premium for the titles that are under their control. but I think that the stock is worth it. I would much rather own Take-Two and hold it for the next 5 years, even if I'm buying it at a premium, versus buying something like EA, which I've talked about, is, in my opinion, a major dumpster can of a company and a business. Major value trap out of that stock. Wouldn't want to own Nintendo either. I think they're far too greedy. I really think that Rockstar and Take-Two are kind of the last very high quality kind of game developer kind of company. You have a lot of indie titles that a lot of gamers have reacted very positively to. But really every title that comes out of Take-Two has been just amazing. Obviously the NBA 2K games are not, they're different though. It's a different developer. Rockstar is really the thing that's valuable from Take-Two, and the Rockstar titles are just unbelievable. They're so ahead of everyone else right now, and I think that investors are going to be very smart to bet on this type of business, because I think that there's going to continue to be more people that are playing video games as the experience gets better and better. And really nobody does it better than Rockstar and Take-Two. This was a purely opinion-based piece. I did the cash flow kind of DCF model breakdown in a past stock analysis of Take-Two, but I really didn't feel like that would be extremely relevant, because while I do think the cash flow does matter for making sure that the business is good and making sure that they can pay off their debts, I think that the real bet with Take-Two and the real thing that you're hoping for is a good Grand Theft Auto 6 release. And I think that that's the main thing that Take-Two investors need to be kind of concerned with, because there's a lot of expectations on this Grand Theft Auto 6 release. And I think that they're going to rise above them at this current price. And I kind of want a piece of this action. I think that I'm going to put a little bit of money either here or in Uber. Not really sure which one I should do. Kind of debating between the two. I like having a position in both. I feel like Uber is going to be more kind of transformational for our lives. But I really think that GTA 6 is going to release a lot better than people realize and make Take-Two a lot more money. So I'm kind of not sure which way I want to go, but, I really do like Take-Two, and I do think that they're a very strong company. So we'll see. I have to think about it, but one of those two companies is going to get a small investment that I'll incrementally add to. Maybe I'll buy both, but thank you guys for watching. I really thought this was a very interesting stock to be able to give my opinion about. I really think that GTA 6 is the most important thing here. If you liked the video, leave a like, hit the subscribe button if you made it this far, and check out some of the other stock analysis videos or personal portfolio videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.